This is the Monojoy Matcha Whisk set with a ceramic bowl, a bamboo whisk, a ceramic whisk holder, a bamboo spoon, and a stainless steel strainer. SGS certified and free of lead and cadmium. I was sent a review from Monojoy. It's absolutely gorgeous, so let me show you a closer look. Look at how nicely protected and organized it is in here. This is a gorgeous gift box, by the way. This is gonna be great for a tea lover, great housewarming gift, birthday gift, you name it. Let's see what's inside. You've got your bamboo matcha whisk with a storage container, your stainless steel strainer, your little bamboo matcha scooper, and in here, wow, how gorgeous. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. They do have a green option as well, but this is their blue. I think that's like a dark brown, not a black. It's just gorgeous. Kind of looks like an eye. Wow. Little spout here. Really nice porcelain. Don't forget this one. Boom. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. So this is your ceramic whisk holder. Let's take that out so you can see. Even has this little part here to protect the little knob. Really nicely made. These are so fragile though, just be careful. And then when you whisk, then you'll just put that there. Oh, look at that little part just goes down in the middle. Just so cute. The set is so amazing. So we do want to soak the whisk in hot water first. Meanwhile, we will prepare the matcha powder. I love how this just sits on here perfectly. No matcha powder comes with the set. This just scoops like the perfect amount here. Put it in here, kind of sift it through. Make sure that there are no clumps and it just goes through really nicely into a fine, clump-free powder. Boom. Perfect. There we go. You want the water to be 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, so I put it at 158 Fahrenheit. Then we pour our water in and we whisk in an M shape. Perfect. Tap, tap, tap. And over here. So this keeps the shape perfect and allows it to dry quicker. Just so nice. This does get hot, so be careful. It's not insulated or anything. The matcha bowl is dishwasher safe and microwave safe, so really easy to clean. It's absolutely gorgeous, so easy to use, such a fun routine and ritual to start doing. I love this set and I know you will too.